Namaste students, Krishna Vidya. I, JP and Dr. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about certain terminology used in the cell biology. So first we'll start with cytoplasm. Cytoplasm are a gel-like substance enclosed within a cell membrane, excluding the nucleus. Okay, so it's like a gel substance, gel-like substance which is enclosed in a cell membrane. Okay, so the next is the plasma membrane. It is the biological membrane that separates the interior of a cell from an outside environment. Okay, so it is separating the interior from outside the environment, that we call it as a plasma membrane. Okay. Next is the prokaryotes, the cell that lacks a distinct nucleus and other specialized membrane-bound organelles, that we call it as prokaryotes. Okay. The cell that lacks a distinct nucleus and other specialized membrane-bound organelles, we call it as prokaryotes. Okay. Next is the eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are the organisms whose cell contain a membrane-bound distinct nucleus along with the other specialized organs enclosed in the membrane. Okay, so that is called eukaryotes. Mesosome, in the folding of a plasma membrane in some bacterial cells that carry respiratory enzymes. Okay, that is mesosomes. Polyribosomes, it is a group of ribosomes associated with a single messenger RNA during the translation. Okay, it's a group of ribosomes which is associated with single messenger RNA. This group of ribosomes also bound to a mRNA molecules like bead on a thread. It consists of a complex of an mRNA molecule and two or more ribosomes that act to translate mRNA instructions to the polypeptide. Okay. They are found on the surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum and outer membrane of the nucleus, and bacteria. They are found free in the cytoplasm. Okay. So next is the phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is a process by which a cell engulfs a solid particles to form an internal vesicle known as phagosomes and is called phagocytosis, or also called as eating of a cell. Okay. So in the ancient, it is in a Greek like phagein, okay, Greek word, and it means eating, or chitos means cell. Okay. So the process by which the cell uses its plasma membrane to engulf a large particle, giving rise to an internal compartment called the phagosomes. It is one type of endocytosis. Okay. And the process of certain living organism where the phagocyte ingest and engulf the other particles is known as phagocytosis process. Okay. And phagocytosis process involve activation of the phagocyte, chemotaxis of the phagocyte, attachment and ingestion. Pinocytosis, the process of intake of the liquid into a cell by the budding of small vesicles from the cell membrane and is called pinocytosis, and also the called as drinking of a cell. Okay. Exocytosis, in this process, the exocytosis materials are exported outside the cell by using the energy from ATP molecules. Next is the conjugation, when the genetic material is transferred from one bacterial cell to the other, either by direct contact or by a bridge-like connection. So, between the two cells is called the conjugation. Okay. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we'll discuss in the problem solving session. Thank you.